In this video, we'll explore 40 of the most useful and stylish home essentials you can easily buy online. These items aren't just practical, they also help create a clean, cozy, and well-designed space that you'll enjoy every day. Whether you've just moved into a new place or you're simply looking to refresh your current home, these essentials will make a real difference. 1. Cozy bed sheets and pillow covers. Soft, high-quality bedding instantly improves your sleep and gives your room a luxurious feel. Go for cotton or microfiber sheets that are easy to wash and long-lasting. 2. Fluffy bath towels. Invest in absorbent, quick-drying towels for daily comfort. They not only feel great, but also add a hotel-like touch to your bathroom. 3. Scented candles or diffusers. Fragrance changes the entire mood of a home. Choose soft scents like vanilla, lavender, or sandalwood for a calm, cozy atmosphere. 4. Non-slip doormats. They keep your floors clean and prevent slips. A stylish doormat at the entrance adds a warm welcome for guests. 5. Laundry basket with lid. Keep dirty clothes hidden and your room neat with a lightweight, foldable laundry basket, practical and stylish. 6. LED night lamps. Perfect for bedrooms or hallways, LED night lamps add warmth and help you move safely at night. 7. Kitchen storage containers. A matching set of airtight containers keeps your pantry organized and your food fresh. 8. Smart power strips. Protect your devices and save energy with power strips that come with surge protection and USB ports. 9. Reusable water bottles. Stay hydrated while reducing plastic waste. Look for stainless steel or glass bottles with modern designs. 10. Wall shelves. These floating shelves not only save space, but also help you display decor, books, or plants beautifully. 11. Indoor plants or artificial greenery. Add life and freshness to your home. Real plants purify air, while faux ones require zero maintenance. 12. Multipurpose cleaning cloths. Microfiber cloths are perfect for dusting, wiping counters, or polishing mirrors. They're reusable and eco-friendly. 13. Soft rugs and carpets. A good rug adds warmth, texture, and color to any room. Choose one that complements your furniture. 14. Kitchen drawer organizers. Keep your cutlery and utensils neatly separated with adjustable drawer organizers. 15. Shoe rack. Avoid clutter near the entrance by keeping shoes organized in a compact, modern shoe rack. 16. Storage baskets. Use decorative baskets to store toys, throws, or magazines. They look good and reduce clutter. 17. Wall clock. A timeless wall clock adds elegance and functionality to your living room or kitchen. 18. Foldable drying rack. Compact and easy to use, a drying rack saves you from relying too much on dryers and helps clothes last longer. 19. Table lamps. These lamps create a cozy atmosphere and add charm to your study or bedside table. 20. Cushions and throws. Layering your sofa or bed with soft cushions instantly adds comfort and style to your home. 21. Non-stick cookware set. A good set of non-stick pans makes cooking easier and cleaning faster. Definitely a must-have. 22. Chopping board set. Durable boards in different sizes keep your kitchen organized and make meal prep hygienic. 23. Waste bins with lids. Keep your kitchen and bathroom tidy with bins that are easy to clean and odor-free. 24. Steam or cordless iron. Wrinkle-free clothes always look neat. A good steam iron makes ironing faster and more effective. 25. Portable vacuum cleaner. A lightweight vacuum helps you keep your floors clean without hassle, especially if you have pets. 26. Wall art or frames. Personalize your home with framed art, photos, or motivational quotes that reflect your personality. 27. Bedside table. A compact table next to your bed gives you space for essentials like lamps, books, or your phone. 28. Multipurpose storage cabinet. Perfect for extra linens, cleaning supplies, or seasonal items. Helps keep things out of sight. 29. Curtain set. Fresh curtains can completely change a room's look. Choose colors and materials that match your decor. 30. Air purifier. Keep your indoor air clean, especially if you live in a city. It helps reduce allergies and improve sleep. 31. Kitchen dish rack. A good dish rack keeps your countertop dry and organized after washing dishes. 32. Wall hooks or hangers. Hang coats, bags, or hats neatly. A simple but highly functional addition to any home. 33. Full-length mirror. Besides being useful, a large mirror makes your room look brighter and more spacious. 34. Storage ottoman. A stylish ottoman provides both seating and hidden storage, perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. 35. Reusable grocery bags. Save space and the environment by keeping foldable, reusable bags for shopping. 36. Electric kettle. Quickly boil water for tea, coffee, or instant meals, an essential for every kitchen. 37. Cutting and serving trays. Wooden or bamboo trays are both practical and elegant for serving guests or organizing counters. 38. Bathroom organizer rack. Keep your toiletries, soaps, and towels neatly arranged in one place. 39. Door draft stopper. This small item helps save energy by keeping heat in and dust out, great for any season. 40. Home fragrance diffuser. End your day with a relaxing scent. Diffusers with essential oils help create a calm and cozy home atmosphere. These 40 essentials can help you do exactly that. Turning your home into a place that feels warm, welcoming, and effortlessly organized. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching.